friends. Today we're going to add another baking activity, but this time it's not for eating. We're going to make a dinosaur fossil. Now, a fossil, let's think about what a fossil is. Do you know? I'll give you a few seconds to tell me if you already know what a fossil is. Okay, did some of you talk about maybe things that paleontologists find, like bones or prints of leaves from prehistoric times that have turned into maybe a hard rock or maybe a print in the soil? Fossils are things that tell us that something was alive, living a long time ago. Actually, a fossil is 10,000 years or more old. And fossils are ways scientists can find out what an animal or plant looked like. Fossils can be put together like bones with big skeletons in museums. And fossils are very important to our scientists. So I thought you could be a scientist and make your own fossil of dinosaurs at home with my fossil recipe. It is called my salt dough recipe, not for eating. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and mix. And you can add some things like food coloring or sand or maybe teeny tiny pebbles. You can choose what you want to add to give it a little different texture. All right, are you ready to start? Flour, 2 cups of flour. I'm going to remind you, this is not eating dough. There's no sugar, and there are no eggs, and it would taste pretty yucky. 2 cups of flour. Now, 1 cup of salt. We all know what salt is, right? Flavor your food. Well, salt is also used for making fossils. So 1 cup of salt. And then we are going to mix that together. Mix. And we're going to add 1 cup, maybe a little bit more to get the right texture. I'll start with 1 cup of water. 1 cup. And I'm going to mix and see if I need to add some more. Mix, mix, mix. I think I'll have to do some counting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's getting hard. This is when you need to probably have an older person help you. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, it seems a little dry again. This must be a dry kitchen. And I'm going to add a little more water. My baking today has been very, a little bit on the dry side. Maybe I'll have extra dry flour. Okay, I added more water. Now it's a little bit easier to stir. Okay, now this time you don't have to put it in the refrigerator to chill. You're going to take a clump of it. You've kneaded it with your hand, and I've got a piece and it feels just like Play-Doh. And I'm going to add a little bit of sand from our sandbox to that salt dough Play-Doh so it can look a lot more like soil. Does that look a little more like soil or dirt or something maybe you'd find out in nature? All right, now I'm going to lay it down on the counter, and I'm going to take a dinosaur, plastic one. Don't have to wash this one because you're not going to eat this. And I'm going to pretend that my dinosaur had died. We all know the dinosaurs went extinct, right? And he laid down right on that soil, and then I'm going to lift it up, and I have a print of the dinosaur on my salt dough, and once it bakes in the oven, it will become a very special fossil. Or maybe you change your mind and you want to do something like footprints. another dinosaur. This one is an Apatosaurus. And maybe I'm going to just put his footprints in my salt dough. So I have footprints of a dinosaur. When I've made a few fossils, I can bake those in the oven at 250 degrees for about a half an hour. And it will harden, and you will have your very own special fossil from prehistoric times. So have fun making fossils, and you can also add food coloring to your salt dough if you want to make it some different colors. Alrighty, my friends, that's it for today. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you tomorrow, Friday. Fun Friday, we'll have some fun activities. Bye.